Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself, Siska Suprihatin, NPM 244110794 from Management Class 24C. I am a student from the Indonesian Technocrat University. Here, I will explain material about the basic accounting equation. Let's see. The basic accounting equation is an equation that shows the amount of assets of a company which is always equal to the sum of the company's debt and capital. The use of the basic accounting equation include, among other things, to illustrate that a transaction has an impact on at least two groups of accounts or to determine change in element or the company's financial position. The function The function of the basic accounting equation is to determine change in the position of the company asset, debts, and capital. Element of the basic accounting equation. The financial accounting standard currently in force in Indonesia refer to the International Financial Accounting Standard. Therefore, the use of accounting terms must refer to IFRS. For example, the element of the accounting equation. The element in the basic accounting equation include assets are a list of assets owned by a company. Assets are a collection of resources owned by a company that will be used to obtain income for the year in question and subsequent years. 2. Debt is the company's obligation to pay other party a sum of money in the future as a result of past transactions. 3. Capital is proof of participation and ownership of parties who have invested their money in the company. From the company perspective, both debt and capital are a form of the company's obligation to pay interest and principal on loans to creditors. Meanwhile, capital is the company obligation to pay the company owner in the form of dividend or return of capital. Basic accounting equation formula. All transactions that occur within the company involve internal and external parties. This will affect the amount or nominal value of assets, debts, and capital which are included in the element of the basic accounting equation. The formula of the basic accounting equation is as follows, where asset equal debt plus capital. Capital equal asset minus debt. Debt equal asset minus capital. The accounting equation can be used to see the effect of all transactions carried out by a company on the financial position of a company at any time. With the accounting equation, at any time we can know the movement of a company's financial condition due to the various transactions it carries out. The accounting equation does not only record transactions directly related to assets, liabilities, and capital. The accounting equation can also be used to see the effect of income, expenses, and private transactions carried out by the company owner on asset and liability account. A company's income from selling its product will increase the number of assets because there is additional cash or receivable, and at the same time, will increase the amount of owner capital. Meanwhile, paying operation expenses will reduce asset because there is cash that must be spent and at the same time will reduce the owner capital. Likewise, private will reduce asset and capital. Example of a basic accounting equation. The first, there was transaction A. Mr. Linda deposit cash as initial capital for Linda Taylor amounting to 8 million. The effect of this transaction was an increase in the company's asset in the form of cash amounting to 8 million. On the other hand, capital increased by the same amount. Now, for recording, you can see the picture above. Second transaction, Linda Taylor borrowed 10 million from the bank. The effect of this transaction is an increase in company asset in the form of cash by 10 million to 18 million. On the other hand, a bank debt of 10 million appears. You can also see the notice in the picture. So the conclusion for So, the conclusion from the basic accounting equation formula is asset equal debt plus capital. That's all the material I can explain. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.